Hello everybody, I'm Trables. Welcome to my tutorial on what to do with a drunken sailor. Works on Windows 10, Linux, and Mac. It's made for 2021, so it's kind of, it's up to date. Um, yeah, let's get started. Way hey up she rises, way hey up she rises, way hey up she rises, early in the morning. So the first thing you're going to do is shave his belly with a rusty razor. Now I would recommend one of these three, the Cool Razor 2000. It's a very standard razor, medium price. Just it's pretty new. It works pretty well. They don't last a long time, but they're relatively cheap for the quality of it. Next we have the LG Smart Razor. That they're pretty expensive, but they do work very well. I would definitely suggest using that if you are seriously into what to do with a drunken sailor. And we also have the McRazor 2.0, the McDonald's brand razor. Very cheap, but pretty inefficient. But again, for the price range, not too bad. So if you're trying to quickly know what to do with a drunken sailor, then that's what you want to go with. Way hey up she rises, way hey up she rises, way hey up she rises, early in the morning. So the next thing you're going to want to do is put him in a longboat until he's sober. There are two main options for this one. There's the Longboat Pro Alpha, pretty good, just a standard boat. It works pretty well, I'd say. I've used it a few times. Definitely worth the buy. But the LG Smart Boat, again, definitely if you're seriously into what to do with a drunken sailor, you're gonna want to go with this. It works very well. Pretty expensive, but it's definitely what you want to do if you're gonna put him in a longboat until he's sober. Way hey up she rises, way hey up she rises, way hey up she rises, early in the morning. So the final step here is stick him in a scupper with a hosepipe bottom. So this is kind of a complicated step, but basically a scupper is a drainage pipe inside of a ship. So what you're going to want to use, the hosepipe bottom you're going to want to use to put him in the scupper is probably the hosepipe bottom Pro. I'll put a download link in the description for it. It's $15 if you want to buy the Pro version. The Pro version definitely helps, but the basic version can definitely help. But the Pro version definitely will improve your experience of what to do with a drunken sailor. That's what you do with a drunken sailor. That's what you do with a drunken sailor. That's what you do with a drunken sailor. Subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like. Goodbye.